Hello everyone, welcome back with one more video of transformation of sentences. We have already learned about the transformation of sentences from simple to compound, from simple to complex. Now this video will show you all the rules of how to do this particular transformation. It's just a type of revision for you. So in case if you have missed the previous videos, this video will help you to understand the rules and do the transformation once again. So be very attentive and carefully follow all the rules. Now after each rule, you will be getting a set of exercise. You will see the few questions. In front of each question, a type of sentence will be mentioned. It means that you will have to change that particular sentence into the one which is given in the bracket. Suppose if in front of a sentence it is written compound, means that sentence will have to be changed into compound. So after each set of rules, there will be few solved questions, exercise. And after completing all the 7 rules, you will get few questions which you will have to answer yourself. So please students, follow the video properly and note down the rules properly in your copy. Let me brief out about this. We know the sentences are structurally divided into 3 parts: simple, compound and complex. Simple sentence will have one independent clause. Compound sentence will have 2 independent clauses, 2 or more independent clauses, and will be joined with coordinating conjunction. And complex sentence are those sentences which will have which will have one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses joined with a subordinating conjunction. I hope you remember subordinating and coordinating conjunction. Okay, so now you will be getting the rules one by one. Please follow it, please note it down. It will help you to solve all the questions properly. Students, transformation means nothing but just changing the form from simple to complex. Means if the sentence is in simple, you want to make it complex, you will do it without changing the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so if you want to change it into complex, you will add subordinating conjunction or some phrases which will have a subordinating conjunction. And if you want to change it into compound, you will add coordinating conjunction. You remember the term fanboys? Yes, fanboys are coordinating conjunctions. So, coordinating conjunctions will be added, or any phrase with coordinating conjunction will be added to make the sentence into compound sentence. So here the rules will be started. Follow it properly. Okay, and at the end of the rules, you will be getting the exercise. Please do it. All the best to all of you. Thank you.